one of the longest whaleboats. W. Morgan. Happy that this whale killing stopped because now whales are endangered and now we just use normal oil. There's so much things to explore here and we got to learn how people live close to the water. We learned whale hunting for oil and we also learned how to make newspapers and we also learned how they made their tools. And did you know that the word seaport has two meanings? First is Dawnland, where the sun rises in East Coast in New England around here, and Duskland, which is when the sun sets in the West Coast in California or even Hawaii. Isn't that interesting? Sadly, this is the end of us at being at Mystic Seaport Museum, but I had an amazing time here learning about how people live close to the water and their culture and so much more. I hope you guys can come here, take your time, and also learn about that. Until then, see you in the next episode. I'm at the Mystic Seaport town and I'm looking at this beautiful view. And do you guys want to live here? Leave in the comments below if you want to.